Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps section. Now click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on one of your apps that you wish to apply as a new default one. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!